engine has switched off the seatbelt sign. If you can reach your mobile phone, you may switch off flight mode now. Today we'll be exiting through the forward door and smoking any e-cigarettes is not permitted while disembarking and throughout the airport terminal. Your bags will be available in the baggage claim area. Your baggage carousel is number 3, and just a reminder, be aware that carry-on baggage may have moved to the overhead lockers and could fall out, so please take care and don't forget to check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items. And Qantas operates from 2 terminals if you are continuing on an international flight. Make way to the Qantas Transfer Lounge at Gate 15. And for Jetstar domestic flights, you'll need to collect your bags to make way to Terminal 2. And as always, the Qantas ground team are happy to help. And once again, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. And on behalf of my team, take pictures and fly with Qantas and One World. We trust you enjoyed your flight. And from everyone at Qantas and myself and my crew today, we do thoroughly look forward to welcoming you on another Qantas flight in the very near future. Don't forget to book those tickets when we're on the other end of this, and we'll be more than happy to welcome you on board with a big smile. Thanks again and stay safe.